The weight loss side is one ingredient is not the answer. Apple cider vinegar is not, and I'm not saying these things don't help, but Garcinia Cambogia isn't gonna make you skinny tomorrow. And it's just the marketing side of weight loss and muscle building is very, very saturated. And that's where I speak on that misinformation side. And not to say that these single ingredients don't help, and not to say that the blends are a miracle pill either, but the whole side of, buy the $60 product, lose 20 pounds is super misleading because they don't talk about the lifestyle change that needs to be incorporated with it. If somebody were to come in here for the weight loss side, usually what I break down first is their lifestyle, their food intake, their activity levels, their water intake, their sleep habits, and what they do for a living. Because if we don't fix those parts, then we don't fix anything. There's no supplement that's really gonna do anything to really help that.